how to use everything is, let's see, a step-by-step tutorial. It's worth everything that can be done on Todoist.com, okay? And then the first thing is worth, well, it's a task application, okay? And here in today, okay, in today we can put the tasks are worth here, and removing it is worth when you have already done them. Here, okay, you can put, okay, add task, and here, okay, you remove it very easily, okay. Then we have here, okay, in minutes, we would have different functions, okay, for today, for tomorrow, after this week, it's okay, and many more. Or to set a specific day, okay. And here we would have the inbox, okay, it serves to set other tasks. For example, to order the week or K, then tasks can be filtered here. Okay, we put a filter and then we can put the task that interests us here. Okay, and here you will see the completed tasks. It's good that you have completed it either through here or through any section of the application. Goodbye.